Welcome back to the final part of our discussion, where we'll talk about the post-COVID future. We'll talk about the opportunity that COVID-19 presents for repairing the damage to the environment, and then get into the specifics of what universities like UBC are doing to help this effort. Some commentators have speculated that greenhouse gas levels will decrease because more people will be working from home rather than driving to work. However, this is unlikely for a number of reasons. It mainly applies to white-collar office workers in the so-called developed nations. Some workers who do have to commute to the office will switch from public transit to private automobiles because of the fear of exposure to COVID-19. Fewer trips will be offset by longer trips, as those who can will move further away from city centers. In the long term, the temporary shifts in behavior caused by COVID-19 won't change our current warming trajectory. However, there is hope. As governments around the world work on their economic recovery plans, there is an opportunity to enact climate-friendly policies, such as investing in low-carbon technologies, which could avert the worst warming. That could help reach a goal of cutting total global greenhouse gas emissions by 52% by 2050, limiting warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial levels through 2050, according to some researchers. Even big business is recognizing the potential. Almost 200 CEOs from around the world have signed on to the Science-Based Targets initiative, calling on to reimagine a better future grounded in bold climate action and to base their COVID recovery plans on divesting from fossil fuels and innovating in low-carbon, resilient solutions. The opportunity is there, and we can help. Universities can lend their expertise in the environment, in economics, and in other disciplines to influence these recovery plans. University students such as yourselves can put pressure on politicians and decision makers to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I think UBC is well placed to help. We have a mandate and an obligation to advance a sustainable and just society across British Columbia, Canada, and the entire world. We have unparalleled expertise in sustainability, economics, and other relevant fields. And we have students, faculty, and staff who are passionate about creating a better future. It's up to us to seize the opportunity to work towards healing the planet. Thank you very much for being part of this course.